mawa pa 27 November 2024 mtsogoleri wa dziko lino olemekezeka Dr. Chakwera akhale akulankhula ndi mtundu wa Malawi nthawi ya 8 koloko madzulo. Pano pa Nyasa VoiceBox a blessings Chaima Lozalio akunena kuti chanzeru chimene mtsogoleri wa dziko lino angawuze Amalawi ndi chakuti iyeyo akutula pansi udindo ngati mtsogoleri wa dziko lino. Nkhani imodzi kuti imve kuti a blessings Chaima Lozalio akuti bwanji pa nkhani imeneyi lero pa Nyasa VoiceBox.
Fellow Malawians, this is Blessings Chaima Lozalio speaking tonight on behalf of Defenders Group for the Good Governance. Today on 26 November 2024, we are extremely delighted to hear that His Excellency, the State President of the Republic of Malawi, Dr. Lazarus Chakwera, is expected to convey a State of Nation address to citizens tomorrow Wednesday, 8 p.m. Defenders Group for the Good Governance wish to congratulate His Excellency for such commendable idea to address the state in the moment that citizens needed him most to speak on the matters affecting the country, but he was nowhere to be found. Following his negligence, disobedience, carelessness, stubbornness to the call from Malawians to intervene on challenges that people are facing, Defenders Group for the Good Governance would like to inquire His Excellency to only deliver message of resignation. The President has failed in numerous matters and has got nothing to speak that should entice citizens at a late stage like this. Therefore, he only needs to step down and auxiliary president should be instituted, and Malawi Electoral Commission must arrange fresh election within 90 days. Failing to resign, then the president should remain silent than to speak. Whatever comes out from his address, contrary to stepping down, shall not be entertained, for he has been a deceiver to citizens a couple of times, and it is hard him to be trusted. Thank you.